Hello everyone, welcome how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a double tap to seek a duration on your YouTube application. So when you watch any videos, then sometimes we double tap the right side, then it's forwarding 10 seconds, right? But if you want to make it more a little bit uh, fast, then you can easily do this. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So now you have to go YouTube application. So I'm just going to open my YouTube application, and after that you can see this is the YouTube app homepage. Okay, so what you need to do now, you have to tap on the EU bottom right corner on the screen. It's EU. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see the settings option. Okay, so simply tap on that. So once you tap on the settings option, then here you'll see it's the setting page. So now you need to tap on general. Once you tap on general, scroll a little bit and you can see double tap to seek. So by default we know that it's a 10 second. Okay, but if you want to make a 1 minute like 20 minutes or 30 seconds, sorry, so you can easily do this. And after set, and once you come back and play any video, like once you play any video, then it's forwarding 30 seconds. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.